beautiful good morning everyone, and welcome back to another Soul Drives video, and welcome to one of Europe's most beautiful roads. We are on the Grossglockner Alpine Road, and today I'm driving the all-new Audi RS5. I got invited by Audi themselves, and I'm super pumped to see how this car drives, how it handles. It's also a very heavy car. I mean, that's kind of the thing with modern cars that are hybrid and internal combustion engine. They tend to be very heavy. This one about 2.4 tons, and we just had a technical explanation by some engineers, and they have done something really clever with the rear differential. There's an electric engine integrated into the differential that takes away power from the inside wheel in a corner on the rear axle and sends power to the outside wheel. So it kind of feels a little bit like a rear wheel steer car. However, it's not. Yeah, power is also quite intense. We are running the 2.9 liter twin turbocharged V6, 639 horsepower and 825 newton meters of torque. And there is a little button here on the steering wheel which says boost. When I will be pressing that button in a minute, you will see that this car just launches insanely quick. It's kind of like the sport response button at Porsche. Yeah. And it takes off super quickly. Some of you guys maybe know that I have bought a new car, and my new car is even more intense, even more hardcore than my daily driven 911 was, and now I'm slowly starting to look more and more towards these bigger, more practical, fast and fun daily drivable cars. So this is not within my budget after I just bought a car, but it's super interesting to now test, like I did with the BMW M5, some more practical daily drivable cars. And we're approaching the next hairpin. Drop it 2 gears, press the boost button into the corner and out. Yeah, it is like every new car with these huge power outputs. It's fast. And the clever rear differential really bites on turn in. Modern cars, they do know how to handle all this weight. We have a huge amount of rubber, 285s in the front and in the rear, which is one of the reasons why this car has such a bite into these corners. But I'd say it's still a very comfortable car. And you're not feeling overwhelmed at all by the 2.4 tons that this car is pushing. Next hairpin, harsh turn in, a little bit of Audi steer, I'd say. Oh man, and these views and the rock formations on the side of the road. Yeah, I just love it. Honestly, how capable does a daily driver need to be? And nearly on top of the mountain. I just love it here. So let's just take a quick moment to talk a little bit about the design. We opted for the Avant, but you can also opt for the limousine. But I do think, for me personally, the RS5 would only be acceptable as an Avant. This car really is a good looker, and that is a hard thing to do nowadays. For some reason, it's getting more and more common that we're seeing these super weird, I can't say it in any different way, these super weird new car designs. And I'm just super happy that this car actually looks good. It's always a matter of taste, but I think this car in the configuration that it's in, with the interior and everything, I think it just looks good. And besides the design that I actually really enjoy about this car, Audi has a really high quality feel. They always have had that. When I'm thinking about some other cars where you have a little bit squeaky and less quality feeling interior, I do have to say this one feels really, really solid. And it's a lot of little details that I noticed throughout the last 2 days. For an example, I'm just going into the menus here on the big screen, and the car that I'm seeing on the screen is actually the exact same that I'm driving here. So it has the same color, same specs, same wheels, and that's just something that I really, really enjoy. Other than that, this car is, like I've already said, a potential daily driver. So I do really enjoy stuff like the Bang & Olufsen sound system, the ambient light, the big screens. I do enjoy my manual sports cars with less displays and an analog rev counter, but on a car like this, I don't actually mind it. And I think it's a nice place to be. It feels high quality. It's definitely solid. Like a typical Audi, it never really overwhelms you or does something that really surprises you. Even if you're just doing it on a stupid amount, way too heavy on the steering inputs, this car still stays quite nice and safe on the road, like a typical Audi. It still does absolutely nothing that surprises me or takes me out of control of the car.